Hello everyone, welcome to today's Zen Sangam workshop. So today we are going to paint beautiful Perico themed water fountain using watercolors, and I'll be guiding you through the process step by step. Before we begin, let me just list out the materials you will need for today's workshop. That is any watercolor sheet. I'm using here Zen Sangam's sketchbook. Brushes, watercolor. Let's start by sketching the outline of fountain. Make sure to keep your lines light and gentle. Now let's start painting. As we have done our sketch, we'll be using wet on dry technique for this. Use a wet brush to pick up the pigment from your palette. I'm taking a bit of white. Firstly, we'll create the largest area, yellow. Base layer, adding some more white. This will be our base layer. Use a gentle stroke. Done with the base layer. I've previously painted this using gouache. The result might not be the exact same since gouache is more opaque than watercolor. So let's begin with shadow part. I'm using here blue and little bit of black. I'm not evenly spreading out this because we need some texture, so I'll keep it like this way only. We don't need a smooth texture for this. Adding some brown. Use dark blue for shadows, dark blue and little bit of black, and tip of mop brush to create fine lines, details. Dry out first, then we can add more layers to it. Draw the random structure like this. little bit of water here to spread this part using less opaque shade to create more dimension. We'll be using blue, green and light pink shade to create mystical look, you know. Let's add some green plants to it. I'm using dark green shade. Now this layer has been dried, so I'm using fine liner brush to create these structures right over here. For creating detailed structure, let the first layer dry first. Use the tip of the fine liner brush. The good part about Zen Sangam sketchbook is that the color doesn't bleed. I'm leaving this part again because I want it more vibrant. Since watercolor is less opaque, you have to keep layering it 2 to 3 times. Now we have to create a little bit of purple shade. I'm using here pink, it's visible, mixing it with. I have to add some more details over here, but since it's wet, we'll begin with the upper part, that is a little bit florals over here. Using thin consistency of paints here. wanted to add white here, but white is of no use in watercolor right now. It's less. Let's see if it's worked. Use thicker consistency of white so that we can create the highlight part of grass. And yeah, that's it. I'll give you a closer look at this. It's not exactly like this, but yeah, we have tried painting with watercolors. Remember to post your artwork on stories and tag me and Zen Sangam so we would see your artwork. We'd love to see what you have created today. And yeah, that's it for today's workshop. Thank you so much for joining me. Okay, bye. We'll see you in the next workshop.
Yeah, bye. Thank you.